Welcome back to APV Auto. Today, we're diving into one of the most legendary names in muscle car history, making a modern Keka. The 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 429. Originally born in the late 60s as a homologation special for NASCAR, the Boss 429 was a symbol of raw power and aggressive styling. Now, Ford is bringing it back with a modern twist that combines classic muscle with cutting-edge technology, aggressive design, and mind-blowing performance. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Mustang Boss 429 demands attention with its bold and aggressive styling. The front end features a wide, blacked-out snow with a massive hood scoop, paying homage to the original while serving a functional purpose by feeding air to the beastly engine underneath. Sleek LED headlights with sharp done-time running lights give the car a modern yet menacing look. Sculpted body lines flow along the sides, enhancing aerodynamics and giving the Boss 429 an athletic stance. The car rides on lightweight 20-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in high tawny tires, while massive Brembo brakes peek through, ensuring it stops as fiercely as it accelerates. At the rear, a large spoiler, aggressive diffuser, and quad exhaust tips complete the muscle car aesthetic while improving performance and downforce. Inside, the 2025 Boss 429 offers a perfect blend of retro-inch design and modern technology. High-quality materials like leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber dominate the cabin, with subtle nods to the original Boss throughout. The driver control cockpit features a flat-panel steering wheel, paddle shifters, and a fully digital 12.4-inch instrument cluster that can display everything from classic K-on gauges to real-time performance data. At the center of the dashboard is a 13.2-inch touch system complete with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and a dedicated performance apps suite that allows drivers to fine-tune everything from suspension settings to launch control. The Recaro Sport seats are bolstered for spirited driving while offering comfort for longer trips, and the rear seats have been removed in some trims to save weight, emphasizing its track-hung nature. When it comes to technology, the 2025 Boss 429 is more advanced than any Mustang before it. A MagneRide adaptive suspension system allows drivers to switch between comfort, sport, and track modes, while an active exhaust system lets you control how much of that V8 roar you want to hear. Advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise control, blind row monitoring, and lane keeping assist are available, making it practical for daily driving despite its performance focus. Now, let's get to the heart of the Boss 400. Its engine. Under the hood lies a hand-railed, naturally aspirated 7-liter V8, paying tribute to the original Boss 429's legendary power plant. This modern beast produces an incredible 850 horsepower and 700 speed of torque, sending power to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission with a 10-speed automatic option for those who prefer it. This setup launched the Boss 420M from 0 to 60 ME in just 3.5 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 200 ME. Ford has also worked on making this powerhouse more efficient, with updated fuel management systems and lightweight materials throughout the build. The 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 420 is more than just a car. It's a statement. It combines the raw spirit of classic American muscle with the sophistication and technology of modern engineering. Whether you're cruising the streets or tearing up the track, the Boss 429 delivers an unforgettable driving experience. What do you think about the return of the Boss 429? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching APV Auto, and we'll catch you in the next video.